Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black C, and I've got another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com, CRO Coin, take a look at Bitcoin, and give you guys my opinion on where I think we're headed here. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, today we are on day 32 of proposing to Crypto.com to market buyback and burn CRO Coin with a percentage of quarterly profits. Just like Binance does with their BNB coin, they take a fifth of their quarterly profits, buy back their Binance BNB coin, and burn it. It has been over 1 month, Crow fam. We can start this conversation. Let's get a response from Chris or Crypto.com. Go follow me at 333BlackC over on Twitter. Let's push this message. Let's get this in front of Chris Marszalek, the CEO of Crypto.com. Let's get this in front of him. Let's start this conversation. I'm very curious if we can just talk about it, because this is what Crow fam needs. This is what CRO Coin needs, because it's going to drive speculation, guys. It's going to make CRO Coin move up in price. And I know some people will say, Black C, it's not all about the price going up. Guys, it kind of is, because when the price goes up, then people are going to come to the chain. The more volume on the chain, more builders will come. It's a snowball effect, okay? So when we look at CRO Coin right now, we are at rank 37. We have come down quite a lot since we were above in the rank 10. We were a rank 10 coin for some time in the previous bull market. Let's see if we can get back up there. I would like to see that. $7 million in 24-hour trading volume is pretty low. Yesterday, people were kind of all up in arms about Cronos being a quote-unquote dead chain. It's not a dead chain. People use it. But because the trading volume was so low, there was very few transactions, and it was spooking some people, and rightfully so. But it's kind of where we are in the market. A lot of the volume is being driven to Solana. Solana is kind of obtaining the lead market share in the cryptocurrency space for layer 1 blockchains, if you will. But just because there's a small amount of trading volume doesn't mean that it's over, guys. This is salvageable. That's why I'm pushing this CRO Coin burn so bad, because it could bring Cronos back to the top. It really could. If you look over here as well, we're sitting at a 2.6, basically $2.7 billion market cap. We've come quite down a lot. We've fallen pretty far, but it's okay. I talk about this on the Crypto Report often. I say, in my opinion, well, first off, let me say I am a CRO Coin bull. I have a lot of CRO Coin. I have hundreds of thousands of CRO Coin. And I really am waiting for the end of this bull market, when there's true mania, when people are saying, Black C, how do I buy crypto? And they Google it, and it's Crypto.com is the first thing that comes up. And that will drive speculation. It will drive money flow into CRO Coin. That's my thesis, at least. So I'm expecting this large move to the upside on CRO Coin towards the end of this bull market, which in my opinion, we're looking at in the next 6 months here, guys. I really do believe that. I think that we see peaks, or it's going to be over in the next 6 months. But we'll have to see how this all plays out. That's my thesis. The overall market right now, Bitcoin trading at $66,400. Dominance trading at 54.93%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're basically at 57%. Pretty high, but 57-60% in my opinion is kind of where we should be keeping our eyes on. Unless Bitcoin decides to make that continuation of the upside to, say, above 72,000, breaking previous all-time highs, then I don't really think dominance is going to move up past 60%. But if it does break above previous highs at 72,000, then you should expect dominance to make a big swing to the upside and break out to the upside above 60%. In my opinion. That's excluding stablecoins, guys. Other than that, the entire market's getting a little bit of a bounce. We had quite a little sell-off yesterday after the intense Bitcoin Nashville conference, where everyone was super, super excited about Bitcoin going to $1 trillion gazillion dollars, because governments were talking about creating strategic reserves. It's still possible, but I think the hype is just dying down a little bit. But I digress. I think that there will be a big move to the upside here sooner rather than later. And guys, if you like this type of content, please go follow me on 333BlackC on Instagram. If I can reach 500 followers by this upcoming Sunday, I will give away $1,000 with a CRO Coin to one of you guys, or Bitcoin, any currency you really want. But I want to give away. I want to give money away. I love giving back to you guys for supporting the Crypto Report. So go follow me, 333 Black Sea. Get me to $500 by Sunday. Win $1,000. Maybe you'll get lucky. So let's take a look over at CRO Coin. So CRO Coin right now, like I said, we are just chopping around. But, you know, we're really, and there's so little volatility with CRO Coin. It's pretty crazy. We are really just stuck in the center of this channel, which is okay. It's okay. As long as we're not testing this level here, this yellow line at about 0.0830 cents, and we're not breaking below that, then I'm expecting this to curl up. I'm expecting this to test the 10-cent level. And we did get a little bit of a test, but we got rejected off. And unfortunately, we didn't get the test, rejection, and resumption through. I was hoping for that, but now's not the time. We're going to have to be more patient, guys. We just have to be more patient. That's the name of the game here. When you look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is telling a story here, guys. The daily looks a little bearish, unfortunately. It looks like Bitcoin wants to come down on the daily, and we're kind of seeing that play out here. But I don't think that we're going to come to the bottom of this channel. I really don't. And if we do, well, guys, you're going to see me turn pretty bearish, and you're not going to like Black Sea for a little bit if we come down to the bottom of this channel. If we come down to the bottom of this channel, then I do expect probably we break down below it, because 1, 2, 3, usually third time. Usually it's not the third time, but the third or fourth time is usually when it's too much and when it decides to break through after you test a key support level. So we don't want to see that. We do not want to see us come and test this level. It's okay if it does, but the likelihood that it breaks below it is much higher, in my opinion. It's very similar to when you test resistance, you eventually will break through. It's kind of like weakening it, and if you test support, eventually you're weakening it, and you're gonna break through it. The daily is bearish, guys. I'm sorry, it just is. When we look over at the weekly, however, tells a different story. It's a little bit more bullish. You see money flow curling up. The green wave is increasing. There's more money flowing into the market. You see a green dot on a trigger wave. Usually this is a setup for a long position. We want to see that. I like looking at higher term time frames. I'm much more of a swing trader myself. I don't like to scalp, but right now scalpers are for sure getting rewarded. High leverage scalping. And if you want to have some high leverage scalping profits, go down below this video. We have some fantastic sign-on bonuses. We have a $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin, a $4,100 sign-on bonus to Femex. All you do is click the link, deposit, trade a little bit. You can make a lot of money leverage trading. It's also very, very risky. Be careful, guys. Be careful. But there is money to be made. It's a very useful tool. I like to swing trade personally. Sometimes when I'm really feeling it, I'll be scalping, and I've posted some of my trades over on Twitter at 333 Black Sea if you want to see some of those. But let's go back to CRO. So right now, I do want to do a little brief view of the Cronos meme coins. They've been getting hit kind of hard. CAW is at a $34 million market cap, down about 16 million since last time I looked at, since Bitcoin was making its move to the upside. This is to be expected, guys. This is to be expected. When Bitcoin dominance is rallying, you're going to see these meme coins get hurt. You're going to see the meme coins get hurt. You're going to see the utility coins get hurt. You're going to see everything get hurt until Bitcoin says, okay, I did my thing, and now I need to step out and rest for a little while. Why don't you guys have some fun? And that's when you have the true altcoin season. But don't be freaking out too much, guys. And if you can't handle a 30-50% swing on a meme coin, then you probably invested too much money into the meme coin. Not to be that guy, but it's just the truth. It's the harsh truth. If you're investing in meme coins and you get hit really hard and you can't stomach it, the risk to reward, that's why there's high reward with meme coins, because there's a lot of risk. You need to be aware of that. I also do want to say that the Lumia Hypernode sales, the prices are going up. They're still available, but in the beginning level, it's only going up about $5 every 100 nodes that get sold. I think right now they're like 1,000 and $20, but they are selling pretty fast. CryptoKip and I have 10 of them. We're having fun with them. You can make some good passive income with it. If you want to check that out, just go down below this video and check out the hyperlinks, or the Lumia hyper nodes. Click the link. That was a tongue twister. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.